Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the Science 9, Term 1, Week 2. This is Day 2, Net Force and Problem Solving under the Newton's second law of motion or the law of acceleration. Okay, objectives: differentiate balanced and unbalanced forces. Appreciate the importance of net force in daily life. For example, in vehicles, sports, safety, and compute net force correctly by adding or subtracting forces. For motivational activity, human tug of force challenge. Okay, instructions: divide the class into two small groups. Let both groups gently pull a rope or hold opposite sides of a long object like a broomstick. For round 1, equal strength. Both groups pull with equal force. So, ask, did the rope move? O dapat balance lang yung walang gagalaw doon. So, the answer is no. Balance force is the net force is equals to 0. The forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay, explain that when forces are equal, net force is equals to 0, no acceleration. When forces are unequal, the net force is not equal to 0 or acceleration happens. Okay, the balanced versus unbalanced forces. Balanced forces happen when the net force is equals to 0. This means forces are equal in size or in amount or in magnitude. Forces act in opposite directions. Kasi kahit pa equal yung dalawang forces, kung at the same direction sila, di times 2 yung force. So, hindi magsi-zero. So, para maging net force ay maging 0 ang net force, that should be equal in magnitude but exactly opposite in direction. Okay, result, no acceleration, object remains at rest, or moves at constant velocity. Example 1, a book resting on a table. Forces acting on the table. Number 1, gravity pulls downward, 10 Newton. The normal force pushes upward, 10 Newton. So, since magkapareha sila ng magnitude, 10 Newton, at opposite direction, so kung ma-minus natin yan, kasi magkaibang direction, the result is 0 net force. The book does not move because forces are balanced. Example number 2, the tug of war, equal strength. Two teams pull with equal force. Team A pulls with 100 Newton. Team B pulls with 100 Newtons. So the net force is equals to 0 because equal in force. The rope does not move. So next, unbalanced forces. Unbalanced forces happen when the net force is not equal to 0. So kapag hindi na equal to 0 yung net force, there is motion. There is unbalanced forces. So this means forces are not equal. One force is stronger than the other. The result, acceleration occurs. Object speeds up, slows down, or changes direction. Example, pushing a box. You push with 50 Newton force. Friction opposes with 20 Newton. So, tinulak mo ba papunta sa kanan, yung box is with the 50 Newton. The friction opposes that with the exactly opposite direction with 20 Newton. So, the net force is equals to 50 Newton minus 20 Newton. That is 30 Newton. Since net forces is not 0, the box accelerates forward. Example number 2, the tug of war, unequal strengths. So, Team A pulls with 120 Newton, Team B pulls with 80 Newton. The net force is equals to 40 Newton. I-minus natin yung dalawang forces na magkaibang direction. So, the rope moves toward Team A. Okay, another example with friction, the step-by-step problem solving. Problem first, a 10 kg box is pushed with 30 Newton. Friction force is 10 Newton. So, step 1, identifying the forces. What are the applied forces? That is 30 Newton. Going to forward. Friction is 10 Newton. That is backward. Since they act in opposite directions, so iba minus natin. So, ang naging net force is 20 Newton. So, step number 2, use Newton's second law. Net force is equals to mass times acceleration. Okay, another example. A 5 kg object is pushed with 25 Newton friction. 25 Newton. And then the friction is 5 Newton. Step 1, kunin muna natin yung net force. Sabi natin, the friction is the opposing motion. So, kung nag-push ka ng 25 Newton, ang nag-oppose sa kanya is the friction, which is 5 Newton. So, i-minus natin yun, 25 minus 5, that is 20 Newton. So, step number 2, get the formula. Acceleration is directly proportional to the force and inversely proportional to the mass. So, ang formula yan, A is equals to F divided by M. So, substituting of the formula, the value of F is 20 Newton, the value of mass is equals to 5 kg. So, that is 4 meter per second squared. The unit of acceleration is meter per second squared. Acceleration, ayan. Example number 2. Okay, so example number 2, 20 kg cart is pushed with 60 Newton, no friction. So, i-divide natin yan, 60 divided by 20, the result of acceleration is 3 meter per second squared. Okay, for the quiz, solve each problem, show your solution, and draw a simple force diagram and with arrows indicating directions of forces. A 5 kg object is pushed with 25 Newton to the right. Friction is 5 Newton to the left. Find the acceleration. Okay, the mass is equals to 5 kg. Kunin muna natin yung mga given. Applied force is equals to 25 Newton to the right. The friction is 5 Newton to the left. So, magkakontra ng direction. Kunin mo na muna ang net force. I-minus mo yung dalawa, yung magkaibang direction na forces. So, makukuha mo is 20 Newton going to the right. Okay, the formula for acceleration is to force divided by mass. So, substituting the formula, 20 Newton divided by 5 kg. So, the acceleration is 4 meter per second squared.